Here's how you can make okra, or you can also say bhindi. First, I will show you all the ingredients. Ladyfinger okra, ½ kg. Onions, 250 grams. Tomatoes, 150 grams. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Red chili flakes, 1½ teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. 2 to 3 green chilies. In a pot with about ½ a cup of oil, add onions. Once your onions are fried, take them out and let them cool. Add cumin and tomatoes to that oil and let them cook for around 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, add your okra, mix, then add green chilies and chili flakes and let them cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Add around 2 tablespoons of water so the okra does not get too dry. At the end, add salt, sprinkle fried onions on top, and cook for like 5 minutes more. Your okra is ready to eat. Enjoy!